Hello, parents, students, childrens. Have you ever heard about the concept called as DMIT or Dermatoglyphics Multiple Intelligence Test? This test speaks about your inborn or inherited characteristics. That's your strength and weaknesses by birth. Okay? When we talk about children, those who are school going, small children, okay, they generally have a feeling that teachers or parents don't understand me nor they understand my potential. Have you ever tried understanding a question for self? Why the same age, same class, same teacher, same books, the same systems also, but still some are excellent, some are good, some are average and many are below average also. Why such? Why the results are differing while the child is studying in the same class with the same students? Every child has enormous potential to do something. Some children, they are worth becoming doctor, Some they are built to become a builders, okay. Many of them are like cricketers or maybe the sports person, right, from the schooling to the college life, right. And there are people within us. There are students within us, children within us, those who are going to become the big scientists. You never know that, right? So every child has his or her own way of learning. It should always be a happy process and never a pain. It should never be a burden for the child. The human fingerprints, they form during 13th week to 21st week of pregnancy while the baby is in the mother's womb. Fingerprints once formed, they never change. And a scientific research says that the fingerprint and the brain has got some neurological connection. Could you understand the benefits of dermatoglyphics test? It's for children's education pattern, tense parents, confused professionals, dissatisfaction in employment, identification of strengths and weaknesses, unsure careers, non-listeners, and even the disturbed relationships. What you get from this report? That is inborn thinking style, ideal career to utilize your best potential working skill. We all have 8 multiple intelligences by birth, which are there with everyone. The only difference is each intelligence and its percentage will vary in each personality. For example, you know it well, some people, they are very strong into the sports areas, somebody could be logically very strong. So our inherited intelligences are like intrapersonal intelligence, that is self, interpersonal intelligence, logical intelligence, imagination, then you have fine motor skills and gross motor skills, or it can be called as a kinesthetic intelligence together. Then you have linguistic intelligences, emotional side, then you have the visual intelligences. Now humans are born with all specific intelligences, and if you look at those intelligences, okay, we have 3 kind of visual intelligences. One was for imagination, which is not there into existence. The other one is like a recollection, and one is there for the observation. So friends, when we understand our capacities by birth, strength and weaknesses, life is actually sorted. If your child is worth becoming maybe a class 1 officer, maybe a kind of commissioner collector, and you want that child to become maybe a doctor, trust me, the personality conflicts within the mind of the child will always be there. Somebody who actually wants to move into the multiple places, and you want that child to become a professor or maybe a doctor, right? Trust me, this is something which is important for each family, each individual. May you be a small child or may you be a grown-up individual, right? The test helps everybody to work on their developmental areas. Thank you so much for watching this. We'll meet in the next video soon. Thank you.